Okay friends, welcome to my channel. In my video now, I hope I can give you information how to clean off chicken. So you just obok this chicken. So blood to this blood you must got it. Don't you it is a blood because this is can you eat in the religion. Oh. So finish one. Finish two. Finish three. What dates? Oh, finish four. Finish five. And you just repeat, many repeat, a lot of repeat, obok this chicken in the water. So you see that? So 7. Finish egg. Finish 9. Finish 10. Finish 12. Finish 12 too. So this is water. You must got it. This water not, please don't you drinking because not good for your healthy, because you got some good water again. Please you take 1 or 2 or 3. And you repeat again. Oh. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, 13. 12, 10. Okay guys, buang again. Okay, this is a finish. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you are always success always for you. Thanks for coming and watching this video. Love you guys.